Effect of air pollution. Ozone depletion, acid deposition, indoor pollution. In ocean depletion in stratosphere, ocean thinning and hole first identified in 1985 over Antarctica, which is caused by human produced bromine and chlorine containing chemicals like CFCs. Then hole over the Antarctica required two conditions. First one, sunlight just running to polar region. Circumpolar vortex, a mass of cold air that circulates around the southern polar region. The next one isolates it from the warmer air in the rest of the planet. Polar stratospheric clouds form, enable Cl and chlorine and bromide to destroy ozone. Effect of ozone. Next, a higher level of ultraviolet radiation hitting the earth, which is eye characteristic, which may cause eye cataract, skin cancer, weaken immunity, may disrupt ecosystem, may damage crop and forest. The recovery of ozone layer, which is developed a Montreal Protocol in 1987, reduction of chlorofluorocarbons, and started using hydrochlorofluorocarbons. These chlorofluorocarbon and hydrochlorofluorocarbon causes the greenhouse gases. Next, phase out of all ozone destroying chemicals is underway globally. Satellite pictures in 2000 indicated that ozone layer was recovering. Full recovery will not occur until 2050. Acid deposition. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide emissions react with water vapor in the atmosphere and form acids that runs to the surface as either dry or wet depositions. pH scale. Here the pH, the value of pH 0 to 3.5, it's a strongly acidic, and 3.5 to 7, it is called weakly acidic. Then the pH value is 7 means we are called as a neutral. Then 7 to 10.5 means weakly basic, and 10.5 to 14 strongly basic. 0 to 7 it's increasing acidity, and the pH value 7 to 14 is increasing basicity. How acid deposition is developed? First, the power plant and industry fumes, the acid comes from sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxide, and the mobile emissions is nitrous oxide. The both are converted as acids like sulfuric acid, nitric acid, and nitrous acid. These form as a dry acid deposition. Then wet, which is settles and form land. Then wet acid deposition, like droplets of the sulfuric acid and nitrous oxide dissolved in rain and snows, which is deposited in lakes become acidic, and surface runoff. Effects of acid depositions. Declining aquatic animal populations, thin-shelled eggs prevent bird reproductions because calcium is unavailable in acidic soil. Forest decline. Example, Black Forest in Germany, that is 50% is destroyed. Acid deposition and forest decline. Here the acid deposition, ozone and other pollutant which is caused damaging the leaves and bark, and also it because of the soil acidification, damaging to soil fungi that aid in root uptake, that is caused impaired water and nutrient uptake. Then the soil depreciation of soil calcium and cell membrane damage and root also causes root damage. Then increased susceptibility to environmental stressors. Increased susceptibility to environmental stressors, drought, extreme cold, insects, diseases, organisms, heavy metals and air pollutions, which cause the death of tree and threat to forest ecosystem health and stability.